Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar and I'm going to demonstrate how to deploy a multi-container voting application with the web applications running in WebSphere Liberty containers onto Docker Universal Control Plane. So I have used the sample application, voting application provided by the Docker, but I have modified both the web apps, that is the voting app and the resulting app, so that they can be run in a WebSphere Liberty containers. So let us start the demo by logging into the Docker Universal Control Plane. Let us access the UCP dashboard. So let's log in using the admin user and password. So the dashboard is coming up. So here we could see already there are many containers and images available and two nodes. Here one node is a controller node, the other one is the worker node. Okay, so here we are going to run our multi-container application from our local Docker client. So we need to configure our client so that it can point to this UCP. So let's go to the admin, click profile, let's come down, click create a client, click OK, click save. So the bundle has been saved. So now let's get into the Docker Quick Start terminal. Let us configure the Docker client using the client bundle what we have downloaded. Let's copy the zip file what we have downloaded. It is UCP. Let's unzip the bundle here. So we have unzipped. So it has the certificate files. Let's run source env.sh to configure the environment. Now let us confirm by giving docker info. So we could see now it is pointing to the UCP. So now we are going to run our multi-container application using Docker Compose. So let's get into the folder where we have Docker Compose file. So first let's review the Compose file. So here we could see we are using the version 2 file format and we have defined 5 services: the voting app, result app, worker, Redis, and the database, which is the Postgres database, and we have defined one volumes and the one network. All these containers, all these services are going to run in a single network, which is the vote app. So here the voting app and the result app, both these applications are web applications and they are running in the WebSphere Liberty Docker containers. So now let us start the application. Docker Compose up. So first it is creating the network, then it is creating the DB container, then the Redis container, then the client worker container, and the voting app and the resulting app container. So here we could see that all the containers are coming up. Both the voting app and the result app are running successfully in the WebSphere Liberty Docker containers. Now let us try and access the application from a web browser. Now let us launch the voting app first. And it is running in the port number 5000. So we could see the voting app has been successfully launched. So now let us cast our vote. We have casted our vote to Pepsi. So now let us go and check the result. Let's launch the result app. This is running in the port number 5001. So here we could see the Coke is 50% and Pepsi is 50% vote. Now let us go and change our vote. Now we will cast our vote to Coke. Now let us go and review the result again. So here clearly we could see now since we have casted our vote against Coke, percentage has increased to 60% and Pepsi is 40%. So as part of this demo, you have seen how to deploy a multi-container Docker application onto Docker Universal Control Plane. Thanks for watching the demo.